Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will talk about Facebook Everyone option, how to turn it on or how to turn it off. First thing first, let's open the Facebook app on our mobile device. Then tap on the dashboard on the bottom right corner and scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. Then scroll down again and click on Notifications option. In Notifications, tap on Tags. If you can't find it, tags, then scroll down or else it's always available on the top of the screen. Tap on Tags and there you will see various options available. But we are talking about disabling the Everyone option. So you can see Receive Notifications for option available there and just turn off the batch mentions. Batch mentions turns off notification for mentions in posts or comments where you have been tagged. When this feature is disabled, you will not receive notification every time you are mentioned in post or comment. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.